Yeah, yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
Take it to them, take it to them. Bring him back now. Move to the right, to the left, and stop. Stop it again, select. Turn it up till it up. Make we dance off with me, cause I club. You know one dance. Do like a knife and cut. Moments of silence, fit the broke shot. You know me.
Yo, people, wagwan, I swear, this is one of the baddest elephant man me hear in a long while. And if that song ya, no forward come running Christmas, you better elephant man stop DJ. Take it to them. Anyway, still, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Wanna deal with people? You don't know what's with there for going on our next review. And in this review, we are gonna talk about mostly some music, some new music we drop. And you know, we have to put a little drama in it before we take it to them. Yo, Scatter, Joe, wanna find it? Me not tell a lie. People, that song I just remind me of Chicky Chicky. Chicky Chicky. Ready.
Elephant man with the energy again. Dancers again, what them no dance from when? How them fit you to a clown dance for your end? Only them a party and money a spend. No segregation, every dance a done friend. Take it to them, take it to them, take it to them. Left side we find it.
So I don't remember if I tell you still, but that song is entitled Find It. And it's produced by Don't Sound Record. Yes, scatter them, draw them. Anyway, still, dancehall artist The Angel uploaded this photo along with this caption, which make we talk about the photo first. We can see that she have a cast around her neck. She have something around her neck, where indicates say I either broke or sprain or some form of accident go on. So the caption read, I'm okay, my angels. Almost 1 week now, I was in a car accident. No way or shape my fault, but I'm giving God thanks. Just a muscular spasm and a little ache and pain here and there. But God saved me. I was a bit traumatized because I lost my dad to a crazy driver. I'm feeling so much stronger now. That's why I'm sharing it. Please be safe out there. The lady said she just took her eyes off the road and bam, an explosion in the back of my car. Shape made. Once again, give God thanks, and I empower almost all motorists to be very careful out. Let's save lives. So people, please, may I beg you now, be safe on the road. You see me? I see some crazy driving, especially at Jamaica. Some crazy driver there on the place. But, wanna take it easy. Take time on the road. A split second can cost your life. You hear what the angel say, the lady say, she just take her eye off of the road and then bam, she reach in a angel chunk. Back of the chunk. You see me? So people, we're glad to see the angel alive and well. Nothing wrong with her. Moving on. Desha Ravers. That is Beanie Man daughter. Desha Ravers. From out of the Ravers Clavers dance group. She get married today. Yeah, she posts this pic and caption it, now and forever, and tag Wiz Ravers. So at first when me see it still, me think it was a music video or something pertaining with a music video, but then it kinda look real. Wiz posts a pic as well, post this pic, and the caption read, I'm ready for a lifetime of happiness with you. Love from the start till the end. So it really looks serious. And then Ding Dong even posts a photo of the couple. So it's shocking to some people because enough people did speculate and I said Desha Ravers a lesbian. You see me? Them I said Desha Ravers no one nothing near man. But I guess she proved them wrong. You see me? So congrats to the couple. And I guess this is a perfect time for play this song by Jahmeil. I'm a tough fuck. I told them drop the video for you now. Check it out.
First thing first, I know this is really love. Cause baby, I'ma feel the love. Never want to speed it up. Me need more than a single touch. Is it too soon to say I love you? This girl I do. I know those words are few, but I'll show you.
So a while ago, when we are talking about Desha Ravers got married, you see me? And you know, say the pastor normally say for better or for worse, for richer or for poor, in a sickness and in health. And this song demonstrate the sickness and health portion of it. Yo, people, the youth when named Jahmeil is a very powerful artist, and on a big man level, the youth are one of the most underrated artists in Jamaica right now. I don't know why Jahmeil now get them big hit there. I mean, I don't want to go around the thing and make Jahmeil thing look lily, you know. Jahmeil really put out songs and him get play, you know. And them probably get some small hit, but the hit well, the level where Jahmeil for depend right now, him not depend the level. And in that song here when him I Love You, we go with that video here. People, that video are bad. You need to go watch that video.
Cause everybody needs somebody. What I don't really need is anybody. Girl, I need you. I need you. Yes, everybody needs somebody. What I don't really need is anybody. Girl, I need you. I need you.
The month of October is Cancer Awareness Month. You see me? And in that video here, Jahmeil pay him respect, him pay him dues, him put some awareness to this situation, this deadly virus. So, long and short of the story is, Jahmeil and that girl here a deal. You can't say him love the girl. You see say him need the girl. Him really need the girl. She get cancer. You see me? Him and her a deal good. Her ear start drop out. Blood start come through her nose and all these things. One at the time she in a wheelchair. It just show you the different stages of how cancer affect the human body sometime. And eventually this girl's dead. Sadly, yeah, I'm upset over the ending of the music video, Jahmeil. You never did for make it end so, brother. On a big man level, you never did for make it end so. But then again, at the reality of it, at just life. And people, that's why I'm telling you, say, on the need for go check out that Jahmeil. You see me? I Love You by Jahmeil. Song bad. Probably me I go do a in-depth review on that song here differently on the next video. So if you don't want me to do something like that, just put it in the comment section below and let me know. Alright?
Girl, I need you. I need you. Yes, everybody.
One thing I know about Jamaicans, we're full of talent, bad. And you see this girl by the name of Jada Kingdom. People, she dropped something hot about 2 days ago. Yeah, something like so. I did for review it yesterday, but never get a chance to. But people, we are gonna talk about this song now, and it's finally by Jada Kingdom. And Jada, may I tell you from now, don't make me wait 1 year for the music video like we do Banana. Alright?
You put me in a mood, I like it. Far from indecisive. Say nobody never make you feel like this. Me everything where you can't resist. Me bump past that roll.
The type of music what Jada Kingdom do should make her easy for crossover. You see me? She have the voice. She have the international voice. She have the voice there where, you know, something where you can hear on international radio station. Now I say no other dancehall artists not have it, you know. But she master it, she perfect it. And then the rhythm them, the beat them where she a go on is another topic that for itself. And the melody and everything, yo, that girl is just a complete artist. Plus, she have the swag, she have the style, and I like that song. A matter of fact, I like Jada Kingdom. Here, Jada, I like you. Probably me slide in your DM one of them there.
You love the vibe, so come dance with me tonight. I don't wanna do this alone. I would give anything to be right next to you, cause I love the way you move.
Might I add that this song just dropped like one day, 2 days ago? Yeah, and it's already sitting on number 6 and trending. So the people them really feel a song, and I hope say it get its strength where it deserve. You see me? So that is Jada Kingdom. Finally, you can go check out that one. So last thing me I go talk about is a music video from Vibes Cartel son them. Little Vibes and Little Addy. You see me? Them drop the music video for Skinny Jeans. So make we check it out now before me cut.
Punk our clocks and skinny jeans. Some bad t-shirt from Philippines. Can't see my dirty, you have to see my clean. All girl you will see, enough for me scheme enough. Punk our clocks and skinny jeans. Some bad t-shirt from Philippines. Can't see my dirty, you have to see my clean. All girl you will see, enough for me scheme enough.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, if you like this video, don't hesitate, leave a like on this video and tell me in the comment section. And please, if for the first time you have viewed the Chaddy More TV, hit that subscribe button. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and I'm out. Remember, one way, any other way, are the wrong way.